So the biggest thing why we emphasize journaling your trade so much is because it can really give you an insight of what your strong areas in the market are, what your weaknesses are, and what you should keep on doing to have a repeatable strategy and a system that can work for days on end, weeks on end, and ultimately years on end if you guys want to be in this for a long time. It's really volatile, and that's where I lose the most money. This is going back the last year and a half. I've made over around $50,000 just trading these 10 plus days to expiration contracts, and it's worked out pretty well for me, and really changed my life for the better, which I don't think would have been possible if I wasn't journaling my trades, documenting my journey, and really taking this thing serious like a job, and having an insight on everything I'm doing right, everything I'm doing wrong. Even if you guys don't use a platform like TradeZilla, use something to write down your thoughts. Apple has the new journal app. You can write on pen and paper, just something you guys can write things down, try to get statistics about your trading, and then you can learn what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. So before we end the video, I'll give you guys some more piece of advice. So the first thing is keep in mind how you want to build your account. And my next video I'll post is going to be going over my goals or my plan for 2025. How I plan to diversify my money into my different accounts. So that should be interesting, but you guys are working on building your account. So the biggest thing is obviously leaps are expensive, but if you can't afford leaps, I just focus on trying to build your account up right now. Stay away from these short dated option contracts. They're really volatile. You're probably gonna lose more money than you make on these short dated option contracts and going back to working your 9-to-5 job at McDonald's trying to recoup your account. If you guys want to start making these big trades, yes, you can gamble. I'm not gonna stop you from gambling your hard-earned money on short dated option contracts. You can make a lot of money doing that. I've done it before as well. But as you guys have seen, majority of my big trades, pretty much all of them actually, have come from contracts that expire in over a year. Now, yes, I have a couple of trades where I make like $1,000, $2,000 profit, but I'm not putting as much money into those trades as a contract that expires in over a year because I have more time on my side. Names like Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, they usually go up over time. So I'm just making money based on the growth of those companies. And the stock market usually goes up over time. I'm just trading the overall trend in the market. Now, yes, if you're buying leaps in the market like 2022, that can be pretty rough. You may have taken a big loss on those. But as we re-enter the bull market in 2023, into 2024, and going into 2025 now, buying leaps has been a really profitable strategy. It really requires almost no thought. Just buy good companies or companies that have shown growth potential and just hold them. It requires minimal thinking. I'm not sitting there stressing about my leap every day. Now, yes, if Nvidia goes down 4%, my account may take a short-term hit, but again, that's why I'm buying time on my contracts and giving them time to work out and let Nvidia do what it does, which is normally go up over time. And finally, like I kind of mentioned in the last section, stay away from short-dated option contracts. More often than not, yes, you can make money gambling on earnings or stuff like that, unpredictable events.